Hello, everyone over there at Rise Junk Removal and Hauling. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles. I am with Wally Digital, digital marketing company here in Philadelphia. And from your post on Facebook in our group supporting small and local businesses everywhere, I found your website under the post where people wanting for feedback, asking for feedback. So I figured I would just make you this video, just talking about your website and talking about a few things you can do to get more and more people coming to you and how to optimize. Now, I do this mostly because I realize business owners are way too busy to learn about all of this stuff. And also, I realized 90% of people use Google to look for your services. So, for example, if I was in Texas and I was looking for in Austin, Texas, and looking for junk removal, one of the things I would type into Google is something like junk removal Austin, Texas. That's a typical something someone looking for junk removal in Austin would type this. This is known as a keyword, as a buyer intent keyword, because it has the service and the location. So 90% of people use Google. I do. I'm sure you do as well. And about 70% don't leave this front page. So what does that mean? That means if you are up here, if you could be seen here, somewhere here, or maybe here in the map pack, which I'll talk about later on, you would get many more calls. It just makes sense. You and I use Google. Everybody uses Google. So how do you get up here? And this is what the video is about. Okay, the three things I want to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your front page, all the words, all the text, the words behind even the pictures. The pictures, for example, if I save this picture, you can see that it's saved as just something random. It's important for Google to make you relevant, to put you in front of those searches, to include those kind of keywords in your text. Save your pictures with a keyword if possible, all your pictures, and make sure your text shows exactly who you are, where you service, especially on your front page. All the locations you service, all the services you have, all the deals, etc. Which is, I see you do a lot of that here, which is good, but I would definitely include more and more keywords. To optimize with Google, you need about 1,500 words of text, and I see you have quite a bit of text on your front page, so that's very good. I'm not sure how old your website is, but we have tools to check. Just give me a second. Let me find this out. IP location dot domain age. Here we go. If I put in your domain, and I can see that you've been there for about a little bit less than a year. But I would expect you to have more traffic coming to you. But at this point, you have a lot of text. That's good. But I can see your pictures. Save. Yeah, it's still run. However, that's just one of the things. And then also your back pages, try and get them to about 750 to 1,000 words, and authoritative sprinkled in with those keywords. Now, what's the importance of keywords? Well, I use a tool to research keywords, research websites, etc. It's called Ahrefs, and I'm going to put that keyword that we put here, junk removal Austin, Texas. Here we go, junk removal Austin, Texas, and you can see that there's about 250 people who look for that every single month. So these are people typing into Google, junk removal Austin, Texas. That's why it's important to be up here, because you'll get a lot of that traffic coming to you without advertising, just as long as you're at the front. So just to give you an example of how many people are looking for your services, I'm going to come here and I wanted to click on, search suggestions. So simple junk removal Austin without the Texas. 1,800 people, 1,800 people look for that every month. Austin, Texas junk removal, 250. Free junk removal Austin, Texas, 150. I mean, if you could get some of this traffic, that would be amazing. Let me look at your competitors, because I can come here into one of these keywords and hit, look at by domain, and I can see like Junk Luggers of Austin. That must be a competitor of yours. So this is another thing I would do. You see, they get 28 people just from that one search. 28 people. But this is also what I would do. I'd look at your competition, see what they're doing, and make sure you're more comprehensive than them. So that's content. The next thing I want to talk about is our citations. Now, citations have to do with this map area. It's called the map pack, where you have 3 businesses and a map of the local area. Now, to rank high in here, to appear here on the front page, has a lot to do with your Google business profile, optimizing it. And we offer optimization services with Wilding Digital. But one main thing I've noticed really helps are citations. Citation is anywhere online that your name, address, and phone number are stored in different directories. For example, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yext, Dexnos, Superpages.com, Yellowpages.com. If your name, address, and phone number are cited in more and more directories relevant to you than even your competition, and I would study your competition to find out how many citations they have and where they have citations. But if you're doing better than your competition, then you're going to rank higher here and you'll be on the front page. And you and I know, I'm sure you've searched for something on Google and clicked on this area for these businesses here. I do it all the time. So if you're up here, you're going to get more traffic. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. And that has more to do with this section here, called the organic listing section underneath the map. A backlink is when a different website links to you. So meaning they're driving traffic to you. If someone has a link on their site and taking people to you that goes to your site, that's a backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. Sometimes, let's say you have a backlink from In-N-Out. In-N-Out Burger is completely different from what you do. Google recognizes that and drops you down, thinks it's spammy, and then would not show you for these searches. But if you have a healthy backlink, let's say you have a home improvement symposium and they have a blog and a linking to you, that's a really good backlink. I'm going to take your competitor here and put him into Ahrefs, and let's see their backlink profile. Now this is what your website person should do. They should come in, take a look at your competitors, and see how many backlinks they have, how many from how many domains, how many keywords, and then you can come in here and actually analyze the backlinks and make sure you have the same or even more higher number of backlinks. You can see a lot of them, sometimes a lot of them come from the same site, and other times, from different sites. But I would come in and analyze your competition. Now, let me analyze your website here and show you how close you are to your competition. So let's come here. And we can see, okay, these are just your backlinks. You have 48 backlinks coming from 5 domains, 50 backlinks from 5 domains. So it's not that much work. You need to come to your competition to reach their level. And I can tell it might not be too hard for you to come to the front page, but you just need to do focused SEO work on your site. Those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: backlinks, citations, and content. If you like this video, I'm open to discussing working together. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take it, use it, give it to your website person, and hopefully you can start getting more and more clients and people coming to you, finding you organically without advertising. Thank you very much and have a great day.